Hey Al, glad to have you there. Yeah, it's a long time no see. I'm back. Hope you're good. Yeah, let me know when you're there. Let me know. Hello, hello. Let's see. What do we have here? Yep, let me know when you're back. Let's move that down. Okay. Anyways, let's go. We have this app. Wait, the sound is a bit too loud in my ears. There. Check. Yeah. Okay, we had the app we saw yesterday. But it's about moving images around the canvas, right? And then you export it so that you get a vision board. That's how it's going to be sold. It started as an experiment with GPT-4 as a base. We started prompting and all that, and we got pretty far with just pure JavaScript for targeting the Canvas API. Then I switched to Fabric.js to help me get better handles, make all this much easier to work with. But now we have regressions with regards to what we had before. So let's understand what's going on and fix all that. And I see there's some activity in the chat. Strengths is there. Hi, Al, you're back. Welcome back. Yeah, long time no see. And it's still a C at the end of my name, Al, but no biggies. Glad to see you there. Yeah. Oh, very responsive. No worries. It's all good. And Kenko, how should I pronounce your name? Starkenko? Do you have a short version for that? Because the longer it is, the more I'm gonna butcher it. But yeah. Thanks for tuning in. And once you have a version, I can just load the link and play it online. That'd be great. We could have fun with it. But tonight is really serious and coding stuff. Stock and Co. Right. Yeah, okay, yeah. You see, I didn't see that. Oh, yeah, okay, Stock. Welcome aboard. So Al, what have you been up to? PHP gig and what else? Is that still a thing? Al, you have a question. So you work 20 hours a week and study part-time for your master's degree. Still have that PHP job, and that's my concern. Why is that? PHP. Should I pronounce it like this? PHP. Oh, he's writing a long message. The suspense is untenable. What are you going to tell us? Meanwhile, let me check that the import feature works. Wait, the drag and drop will not work. That's one of the regressions. Let's import these two. Oh, cool. It doesn't work. Ah, I see. It doesn't refresh and all that. Sounds good. Al is still writing. Let's have a look at the code. Let's work a little bit, guys. Okay, let's first test. The handles are working all right. I can rotate. I will need to change the background color or change the borders color for these handles. Okay, some Joomla drama, I guess. I got this job because of my master's degree, because I can work from home. Okay, that being said, well, I worked for the past 6 months. I got 2 exams this week, and the product owner is making extreme fuss about the product. Extreme fuss about the product. Nothing new. It will happen at some point. I work with Joomla, and it's not something I'm passionate about. Yeah, Joomla. After 2 years, after I finish my master's degree, I will probably look for something else. Yeah, 100% look for something else. Will you have some holidays soon, like after your exams? Is there a way you could find another job that would still be part-time, you know? And you have to see in your contracts, like, do you have something specific where you have to respond? Is it like you're a part-time employee, or are you a freelancer? Those are 2 different things. If you're a freelancer, technically you're not supposed to, depending on the contract, but not supposed to be like answer like 5 minutes after you get a message or an email or whatever. You get what I mean, right? If you're okay, you're an employee, so you're supposed to be available within a certain amount of time during the day and all that. Yeah, that's the thing. And you still have to be an employee, because you can't like spend time every month looking for new clients, I suppose. And the guy that worked with me used to be nice and all. Now he's really annoying and expects me to finish everything this week. Have you told them that you cannot work overtime? Have you written that somewhere as well? And if in your contract is specified 20 hours per week, the most you can do is shift the hours at the beginning of the week, or, you know, closer to right now, but you can't do more. And I think if you're a student, you wouldn't be allowed to work more than 20 hours or something, right? How does it work in your country? Some things to consider, right? But I'm not sure. Stock, you have a lot of enterprise experience, right? But it might just simply be that I don't have the context, but simply be that the client is panicking about the deadlines and all that. If you want to change up to 30 hours, it's no problem. There's no law, okay. Oh, we're too stressed. Do not allow you time off that you've earned up. Never mind that we could just treat you better. Be on alert all the time. Yeah. Doesn't help me at all. Just tells me stuff that I have to finish with zero help. He's senior dev. Yeah, pretty much friends. But that generally comes from stress from outside or whatever. Can't finish the stuff in time because I'm Joomla noob. So hey, so you have the senior dev and then the client is someone else, right? Al? So who's making a fuss? Both of them, just the senior dev or the client? Okay. So you don't have like deadlines that moved up or whatever. So I would say for now, just push back against the senior. And that's it. You don't care at this point. You just remind him of the numbers, 20 hours per week that was agreed. And you can add if you want with your current circumstances outside this project, you're not able during this period to add more hours. You know, how do you push back professionally? Yeah, try to be reasonable. Hi Saika, good morning to you. Yeah, but yeah, give the numbers. You can optionally remind him of your situation, not that he would care, but just to give a one-liner about why you can't right now add more hours to your work week. That's it. And don't care about the consequences. I don't think they will kick you out just because you say no. You can only respect your contract. Shouldn't work like this. And maybe if you push back the next week, the client, worst case, would want to talk to you and get answers about what's going on, right? And then you have fair points to respond. Yeah, stay calm, stay to the point. And you don't have to argue, like write a message or have a call like, hey, I can work up to 20 hours, not more this week. And after the alternative, like pass your exams, you can potentially increase your work hours then, but right now you can't, like things like this. I wanted 30 hours, yeah. It's clear something wrong if I have so much saved up in overtime and I can't use it. Yeah. And well, something I wouldn't recommend maybe in your situation, but today I had a call with a team, like they are the dev team. I'm part of the consultancy team, let's say. And I was asking question and whatever. At some point, the manager wanted to take the conversation into a debate, like a philosophical debate or debate in theory about stuff in IT. Like, hey man, we're not at a cafe discussing tech here. I just want the answers within the current project. That's it. My voice was calm, but maybe I was slightly rude, but just to stop the flow of like, yeah, let's keep talking. Yeah, don't have time for that. Right, so ideally just send a message, which is final. And maybe if you have ongoing task and it doesn't take you too long, maybe try your best to finish that. Then you also offer the alternative. I am unable to extend my hours up until X date. Past that date, as from this new date, I can potentially increase my hours if it's still relevant. That's it. Nothing more than this. Those 3 points, and then you leave. I think management loves to talk while devs prefer to do the job, no more, no less. Yeah, but at some level of seniority, unfortunately, you still have to have conversation with other stakeholders. That happens. But all the best, Al. Let us know. And yeah, let us know when your call is or your chat is. Just drop me a message or something. Don't worry, it's not like you push back and it's not like you're refusing to do 20 hours. You're doing what's in the contract, so that they can't kick you out because of that, and they can't kick you out without warning. So yeah. All right. I was thinking maybe it's better that I collect experience with something newer, even though I would probably work even more. At least it's more valuable. I'd much rather apply for a junior position. That too, but honestly, how much time do you have left in your masters? If it's like 2 years, I mean, yeah, if you can have something different than this job, yeah, 1.5 years when you're studying and working, it's not, it flies by pretty much, I think. When you're in a couple of months. Yeah, if you can hold it there, stay there. And while you're towards the end of your masters, you start looking for something interesting. That's what I would go for. No, not at all, not overreacting. This is obviously a stressful situation and you need a part-time job while you're studying. I think that's your situation. So yeah, no worries, man. Well, talking is happening always, but I shouldn't be just talk about something in the air. It needs to be done, how, and yeah, exactly, Saika. Outside of this context, outside of our context here, if you're requested to attend a meeting, you can ask for the agenda. And you can say that I can only attend this meeting if it's time boxed and there is an agenda. Try that and see how that goes. Anyways, let's do some coding. Let's do the work. Stop talking. Kidding. Okay. What's the good news in business side? I managed to close my... Yay! 30k, 3k for 2 websites. So I hope I can make them good. Otherwise, I gotta give the task to my brother. Thanks. Hey, that's amazing. PHP work, right? I guess it's not Joomla. As long as it's not Joomla, it's fine, right? Framer. Actually, I've suggested that as an alternative. Framer.com, I think. Yeah. If your client has the budget, I think it's a good alternative, but I haven't tried it myself, right? You could start with the mini or something, no, home and for simple sites. Yeah, maybe that one, you know, something like this. or maybe the Pro. Let's say we take the Pro. That could work really well. And the way you use it and all that, it's very simple. Yeah, it's basically Figma. It's very close to Figma, and I think it's the one where you can import from Figma. I'm not sure, but yeah, that's super good. I want to try it someday. We'll see. But yeah, that one is interesting. Actually, you know what? Imagine you have a client that comes to you. The client has its content teams, like content creation team. You could build designs there directly, and then you can guide them on how to upload the content there, something like this. Yeah. So quick question, I'm curious. So 3K for 2 websites, they pay you 3K, but they pay the framer, right? But a WordPress site with plugins is more expensive than $20 quickly. Yeah. No worries, you're not disturbing. Gotta study for next. Okay. So I'm gonna sit back and listen to the music on the stream. Sounds good, man. I need to learn project design as well. Yeah, I need to do that as well, Saika. Essentially how you ship it. Cool. So yeah, they pay for the frame. They pay me to create the website, plus they gotta pay for their own hosting on Frame. Yeah, perfect. Sounds good. Got it. I really want to try it. I really want to explore that someday. You know, with all the cheap and dirty WordPress that happen nowadays, maybe that could be something interesting to combat that. Yep, sounds good. Design for me is put it together, move things around, settle on the final efficient product. Yeah, sounds good. And Stock, do you include UX in that efficient product? Okay guys, we have one main bug that we need to figure out. Yeah, UX is included. Okay, UX is included in the box. That's a good news. Wait, let me try something. Let me check my home. Are we good? Checking everything. Okay, we're good. All right. So we have the pictures. We can rotate them. We can resize them and all that. Click there, it's there, etc. Export works. Import works, but we have to refresh. It's considered, but probably leaves a lot to be desired. Okay, yeah. Well, UX always has to be refined anyways, right? Okay, so basically the image is exported. Whoa, something is very wrong. Yeah, okay, the export is broken as well, I guess. Wait, export. Yeah, export is broken as well now. Import works on refresh. Sounds like it's working then. Yeah, it's partially working. It's not working for the user, but let's say the background, not backend, but the background part works. The refresh can be fixed easily. But the main bug we have is with regards to the zoom. So I've zoomed, now it's worse than before. But you see, whoa, worse than I thought. Okay, let me refresh. Don't know why that's huge now. Is not a function. Yeah. So okay, I zoom. So already that's terrible. But when I click outside, Oh. Yeah, it's worse than I thought. So let's debug and start looking at those issues. Yes, there's probably a NAM here. Hello, you. Whoa. So I click outside and zoom, and then it breaks, I think. Zoom 1, zoom factor. No. So now I have something selected. I zoom. Ooh, okay. It's a string, not good. Oh, the zoom was already too fixed. Interesting. So this, Hey, let me try something. I forgot how that works. I always forget things. Don't worry. You'll get used to it. That works. So let's just go ahead and just find that string there. It should be there as well. Oh, it's in a lot of places. Number. I could see this being a Twitch extension, an application where the application is like your base instance that shows like maybe who has finished guessing an answer, leaderboard and stuff, and then the extension is what you're doing now for the players to click on and select from. Okay, I missed a few messages. Is this the trivia game? No, it's not the trivia game. By the way, Stock, Saika is 100% trolling. All of his message, 100% trolls. No, I went through some updates of the code for the trivia game yesterday. Not even sarcasm. Don't try to get any information from Saika. He's gonna troll you on the chat. Maybe on the Discord again, but he has his own persona now on on the chat where he's 100% trolling. No, I'm actually, that's inaccurate. Sometimes he would tell me that the song is wrong or things like this. Like when things are seriously wrong, he would be helpful. For that, thanks a lot, Saika. You see, like it's like Saika is an AI and there's a bug now. Okay, let's try the zoom again. Come on, man, seriously. Yeah. Zoom once, zoom twice, keep zooming, looking good. Yeah, that's not breaking anymore. Okay. And he's running jokes that I cheat during games. I like to cheat. Okay, interesting. Cheaters. Shame on you. Prevent. That's string. Okay. Now for the problematic part. Why is it so zoomed in like this? Okay, maybe we delete that. I don't know which is which though. Well, let's try. Did I get it right? And the performance since Fabric are terrible. The shorter the better when it comes to commits, in my opinion. Well, it depends, of course, but here I think it made sense. Small fix, you can trace it back. There's a problem there. It's good. Okay, so problem is I can do changes and all of that. Like I can move it here. As soon as I zoom, it moves it back to the initial position. I don't know why. Given you're talking focus changes, yes, I don't follow on that. For me, it's usually moving all my stuff. You'll see the tweet about some dude who joined a project with a client and the last commit on the repo said you're gonna have to do some Git gymnastics to get that commit message out. Got you, Stark. All right. Heard about someone who redefined true. To be honest, sometimes true. Wait, there is a programming language where you can do crazy things like this. Remind me which one it is so that I never write in that language. Is it C or C++, something like this? Okay, well, I'm glad it's not like that anymore in case I want to try it someday. Is that a mute true? Come on, man. Okay. So one of my theories is that what? So now it's back. Yeah, it resets it. Oh, the streamer. I don't really know that streamer. Should check. Okay, guys, let's focus. Let's code. On unmounted. So this doesn't trigger, right? Console.count. That component. Let's do something else. Unupdated. So that's it. What's going on? I watch only our. I mean, send me the video. Oh, coding. Yeah. You have a weird autocorrect algorithm. Just saying. Have you been writing about other things than coding, Saika? Maybe. Maybe too much. Who knows? just accept some values. Those don't use. Oh, okay. Too much rule 34. I don't follow. Okay, you see, it mounted it 4 times. I don't know why. But that's not where the issue lies, I think. Let's clear that. I might remove these. Okay, so it got updated. And that makes sense. Since... Oh, it's getting the value from outside. Let me show you. Get rid of that view warning. Yeah, you're getting triggered by the warning. Wait, which one was that? Oh. Like, hentai coding is a weird phrase, but the autocorrect is hentai king. It's okay. I'm not reading chat anymore. Yeah, so we have a toolbar. I don't know why it's used like this, but the toolbar is actually this and this, I think. Wait, that zoom is part of something else. Tab, okay. Toolbar. No, it's actually, yeah, the zoom indicator is in the Canva handler, but it's you missed the part. Yeah, so were you there yesterday when I mentioned this project? I can explain again, I don't mind. No, Saika, I'm not making the import-export thing. That thing is broken. I'm trying to fix the part where the zoom... each time I zoom, the project is updated. Okay. So this is actually a vision board maker that I'm building for my student/client. He wants to start providing those kind of tools, and later on there will be more advanced tools that will be would still be about moving images, vectors and all that, a bit like Excalibur, but maybe with more features or different features. But for now, we're trying to build a free product, a vision board maker. The scope is very narrow, it's very specific. The idea is that you would log in maybe from your Google account, you have your profile, and you can throw in a few images, move them around, stack them together, rotate them and all that good stuff. And you can export it, and if you want to print it, have it in your room or whatever, you have it for free. So I don't know yet about cloud storage of the images and all that. I'll have to define that with him. But yeah. Make your own SSO so it's not reliant on... Yeah, so that no one wants to register. Maybe not. Yeah. So that's the point of this, right? I just wanted to note on the patrol, either the portrait of the woman or the background portrait is fake. They are not looking the same direction. I mean, you're onto something there, I guess. Let me fix that. There. Wait, can I? Well, it's too late now anyways. Is that better, Saika? I'm a magician. Yeah, cool. Very cool. All right, back to coding. I was trying to explain how these control. So these controls are all. I can't read anymore. All your own setup. What do you mean? those handles, no, I fixed my itch to want to do it by hand, and I switched to fiber. Let me show you. If I move back to main, okay, stash and checkout. Should I restart the server? Stolen or appropriated? What are we talking about, by the way? If we're talking about the controls, yeah, I started with building my own, but I was in a rush, and yeah, it's not great code. And it's a lot of code for you to write to be able to do these things. Yeah, and I've deleted the image. But here, I'm pretty sure I can drag in the image, and it works, yes. The code is simpler. You lost the game. Hi. How do you annoy a web developer? I don't see what you're talking about at all. I won't say it. It still renders though. But nice try. Your HTML string would still render. The browser would still render. Unless maybe it's IE. It wouldn't. I don't know, but browsers are have a very tolerant HTML parser. It's cool to have it there at all though. Yeah, but Stock, if you're talking about my own controls, they're completely broken, and yeah, it's not trivial to have display the handle and also define the targeting zone. At least I'm not used to this kind of programming, you know. Gosh, I didn't know I would love so much on HTML and CSS when I started that project. How did you switch? So you come to VS Code here, you click here, and you switch branches. I think your effort is got trend. Yes, it was, but it's not because you do a lot of effort that it's the right decision, neither for you nor the client. So yeah, I'm glad I've found that library, by the way. Started using it. But yeah, we still have things to fix now. Yeah, because the setup is now being done in the component and all that, so yeah, we need to fix things. Yeah, from a learning perspective, yeah. And by the way, GPT-4 was quite good at this. Not to the point where I needed handles and all that, you know, but if you have a very small code, you can ship your code, you can upload it to GPT-4 and have it analyzed for, have GPT analyze it, and then you can ask questions towards the code that you have provided. It's pretty nice. Actually, I told GPT to write that script for me so that I could zip the code and upload it on ChatGPT. You know, things like these. And then you get this, you drag it into the ChatGPT interface and it helps. Oh, everyone who wasn't there last night, remind me that I have Gemini Advanced in trial for 2 months. So each time I go to ChatGPT during stream, remind me to try Gemini instead. You still didn't answer me. What's extension for finding strings? What do you mean finding strings? This is not an extension, Saika. I guess on that message you're not trolling, so I'll try to answer your question. I was using GPT before, but I feel kind of icky about it. I didn't feel I use it right to learn well. It depends what your objective is. For example, on the last project I was working on, Chrome extension, we needed to build some automated tests, and well, there's no right tool for testing Chrome extensions, and Chrome extensions that are tab managers, so you need to do a lot of browser manipulation, not in tab HTML CSS manipulation, but tabs, tab groups, let's say changing the URLs, checking the state and all that. There's no specialized tool for that. So we ended up using Puppeteer because that's what would be useful there. And it was super quirky and all that. And now I forgot why I started that. Yeah, and then so we used a lot of GPT to help us bridge the gap more quickly on the small things. It's not 100% right all the time. Sometimes it's like off by a few percent, or like the API it's using is not exactly right, but it did fast track our learning. We were able to get from 0 to 1 on some initial tests, right? Much faster than if we were to check the documentation every second. But still, at some point you have to deep dive into the documentation to get some knowledge. But it's like, instead of, it's even better than watching videos in the sense that you start directly with a small success on what you actually want to do with the tool, right? In our case, Puppeteer. So you already get small wins. With those small wins, you get some context of how the tool works, and then you dive into the documentation and all that, so you get a better sense of how the tool works. Before that, I would just use videos, follow tutorials and all that, and then dive into the documentation. That's how I process new stuff better. But yeah, with GPT-4, it was pretty good. GPT-4 for complex, relatively speaking, right? For some complex stuff, it's much better than Copilot, even the Copilot chat. So even though GPT is like a general model, and I think it's Codex or something like that, the model for chat Copilot, GPT is better when you have more complex stuff. So what I'm saying is that try Copilot, try the chat for small localized things. The user experience is better. It's right in your editor if you're using VS Code or compatible IDEs, right? But when you need something more complex and Copilot is struggling, try GPT-4, it works. Now maybe I will try Gemini Advanced and we'll see, maybe that's even better now. We'll see. Yeah, flesh out repetitive smaller chunks. Yeah, I don't like most videos at all, so that's easy. Yeah, sounds good. All right, Saika, anytime for your question, let me know. All right, back to it. I wanted to explain that there's Canva handler. It has a component inside itself. So why is it not showing me the component? Zoom indicator, right? So this is being updated. And for some reason, when it's being updated, I guess it re-renders and Fabric.js is triggered. Canva handler. Wait. So what if I were to move that outside? For just because I'm lazy. Ah. Well, I asked. Yeah, I didn't understand the question about finding strings. So if you can elaborate on that, that would be helpful. Yeah, still being updated, but I think it's still fine to have it outside. So where is it being updated? Canva handler. It has no props, but use Canva is being updated, I guess. Like const function name in VS Code to find it in my code space. So you mean this, right? Global search. If it's that, I do Control Shift F to do global search. It's not an extension, it's built in. Find. So let's see. Yeah, that's search all occurrences of find match. It goes there. Yep. All good. Okay. Let's think. Zoom in, out. These are called here, and it updates something there. That's why it updates. Scale is local, fabric ref is local. Well, let's see. No, it doesn't. Oh, yeah. So I don't know if you can see it, but there's a highlight around this, the toolbar. But obviously I don't see anything about the canvas. So what we'll do is oh, maybe that's why as well. That, let's see. No, so it's not updating that component when I zoom. Whoa, that's obviously not good. Interesting. Not the right reason. Okay. Windows. Yeah. Bugs from Windows XP. Pretty much. Okay. So it's all updated. This is updated. How can I change this? Let me see. Let's have a hard-coded number here. Yeah, this is annoying. Keep it in. So now it doesn't take any values. Well, it does, but it updates Canva ref. It's not Canva ref that's affecting it. Trying to narrow it down to the actual problem. Whoa, wait. Oh yeah, I gave it 500. now it goes back to this. Yep, not the actual problem here, probably. Okay. Let's try something else now. If we move it in there, no, I need to see the logs again. Oh, this view warning strengths. Yeah, I'm sorry. Not the priority here. I've learned to do with warnings that don't concern the immediate task. But maybe right after that one we can fix it. Okay. So what I'm trying to do is see if I can avoid this update, basically. So then I don't need to use all of those handlers to save everything right away and reload it and all that. Because else I can temporarily include the code for the zoom inside and see if that works. You know what? Let's try that. Zoom indicator. And the handler. We'll copy all of this. Oops. Have it there. We have something. Yeah, now it's going to complain that this is important. Yes, makes sense. Okay, visually it's there. Now we have to move some code. I see. Yeah, this is not a Nuxt project. You have to import things manually. That's not the right thing. It's not the right problem, I suppose. Right. Moving it is not the right thing to change. So it's changing back. Change it back. Yep. Revert. There. Okay, so we cannot avoid that refresh probably. But in Fabric JS, do I have some hooks? Some events? Like unupdated. Wait, I might have this. Use. Yeah, I have to rely on them. Mounted. can I find this? Yeah, no. Dot on. Something like this. Nope. Gemini. Okay. Fabric JS. How do I to listen for events? Something like this. Yeah, but I don't want event name specifically. I want not object modified. Okay. Uh-huh. Yes, that makes sense. It could introduce potential bugs. Yeah, but I need option 2. Always doing odd things. So thanks. Use modern JS in your examples, please. See, that wasn't hard. So do I need to run that separately? That's my question. Like, and also that's new fabric. So that's the prototype for the whole thing, not my instance. Yeah, the instance is canvas in their example. Okay, so that means I can go to the top, export of that, watch. Oh yeah, it takes a callback. Why? I doubted GPT. Something like this. Come on. No? Really? Oh, yeah. In this API, we don't have greeted. We have on before mount. And we might not need all this wrapping stuff. Let's see. Event fired, event fired. Whoa, it's... Hey, that's actually interesting. In the sense that terrible things are happening, and I don't know exactly why yet, but... Wait, is it still firing? No, it's not firing anymore. It's crazy. It's... Why is it... Oh, yeah, the grid. Seriously. Yeah, because before that, I didn't have the grid. Well, sorry. Before Fabric.js, I had a grid still, but it was very lightweight since it was targeting directly a Canva DOM object and rendering it into the Canva element. Now, since there's so much abstractions, it's very weird. So maybe I should have like an SVG image or something that might make things lighter. But yeah, booting that is crazy. So maybe now I don't... So many logs though. Yeah. It's crazy. Thing is, since it's been called so many times, and I don't want to debounce any of that, I can't rely on that global event handler to save stuff. And it feels like I need to save the position of everything in the database. Because, let's see, I move that here. I zoom and it shifts back. But we had no events. Come on, man. Okay, I managed. See, no events whatsoever. Now I have events. Okay, so it accepted the move, but when I zoom, it goes back to the initial position, which loads from the database, but I think I knew that already. Offset. Yeah, I wish I could change that from here. You see, this is the offset. But then why does it put it at 0, 0? First, let's get rid of that. I'll comment it out because I might still need it. Don't be mad at me. Okay. It's super slow. I might disable the grid building or something. I don't know. Should I disable the grid? Draw grid. Yeah. I know. It's not... No, I don't want to disable that. Yes. Ignore. Oh, it's ESLint. What is it? ESLint. Disable next line. Yeah, there. Okay. We don't have a grid. If we reload, it's much faster. Thank you. Okay, we can work. So again, the offset is 320. So when we add things, dot add image. Yeah, okay. So fabric.image, we want to see how that one works. This code, I want to specify the position of the image on the Canva. 1 second, I have to check this. You're back. I don't know. Check the chat. So it's all good. I think everyone else is asleep since I'm coding, and it's not the most exciting part, but it's part of the job. I've established that I will not check how to prevent this issue where it resets the canvas because the component is re-rendering or at least getting updated. I will try to explicitly place all of the images and see how that goes. So it says that it's dot image dot, is it Y or would it be offset? See, that's what I don't know. XY. I think I don't need XY. I need just offset X and offset Y. Offset Y left. Yeah, very smart. GPT was very smart this time. Good. So refresh. There. So now I moved here. And now I need to update that because if I refresh, it goes back down. Yes. So selected the object. Yes. An object was clicked. I guess I can take that event and it would be my general event. Let's try. I'll show you what I mean. Clicked. Yes. Now, I had a to do, but I think I'll do it where we have the clicked. Oops. Yeah, I'll do it here. How do I do that? No clue. Update image. Do I have it commented? No. Oh, store image in DB. let me see. Okay, 0 update. I think I need that one. Date image in DB. Go there. Active object dot id maybe. Aha. These things are not directly linked. So well, that could work. Not exactly like this. So I thought I needed to update the data as well, but maybe I do. Maybe, yeah, I think GPT Copilot is just talking nonsense here. Let's see. Update image, updated image data. Ah. Let's check the model again. Yeah, the image data is the base64 string. ID will stay the same. Height and width should change. But I need the image data, which it doesn't have. But can I extract it from there? Let's see. Oh, well, you know what? Log. Not object type. I don't want the object type. I want the whole object. Active object. It's a unique string in here, so that will do. We do this. Yeah. Probably don't want to do that yet. You know what? Let's read. Oh, come on. So annoying. Okay. We have the object. Does it contain the image? No, it contains the canvas. It's the whole thing. Line coordinates. No, no, no. Oh, there's an image. I have a reference. Wait, why is this to the fabric each instance? How do I extract the, what is it? Data. Image string. No, not exactly data URL. No, that's not what I want. Methods. Methods. No, static, no. Adjust position, no, but maybe later. Mhm. Oh, maybe if the source is needed. Oh, yeah, no, not really that. Mm, Save state. What is that? No, probably not. Not set source. To canvas element. No, not really what I want. To dataless object. No. So else I can use to data URL and then get the string from that, but hey, to JSON maybe, to string. Yeah, why not? Gemini, why not? Let's try that. Oh, wait. So I won't have the proper ID yet. So let me fake that with the key. Hard-coded ID there. So hard-coded ID. And for the rest, I need copy. No, that's not what I wanted. How do I give me code to extract, to dump the size index db? Yep, because I'm lazy like that. Don't waste your brain power. Studying in the background and I'm keeping this Steam open so more views come, hopefully. Yeah, hopefully. I'm not really checking the viewers count, and everyone is welcome to interact, to be honest. I said, like, you know, I'm gonna do 2 hours of focused work. Well, I'm gonna stream for 2 hours and get some work done, and hopefully these are going to be interesting to people, you know. But yeah. It is my own site. Give me code to extract one collection. my database. Collection images. I've been listening, but I think I'm a hop off on now myself. Catch you all later. Yeah, see you, Stock. I luck with the volume almost off. Yeah, that's fine. See you probably next time. I don't know if I'm gonna stay long. Maybe like I'll finish the hour and bounce as well. Yeah, it was nice having you there. See you next time. Yeah, that could work. By the way, it's a nice touch to have the copy button at the bottom so that you're forced to read the code, or you're more susceptible to read the code. Is that the word? Yeah. There are more chances that you get to read the code before you copy it. Error opening IndexedDB. Yeah. Maybe I should read it actually. My database images. What was the problem? You know what? Why am I so silly? Give me JSON that. Okay, you're being too smart. Let's see GPT-4. The JSON. It's going to give me a JSON most likely, and not be like super smart or no, epic fail there. That here in GPT-4 is slow, but might give us what we want. I would have typed it 5 times by now, but let's use the tools. Is it working? It's not working. Come on, GPT. You're being shy while I'm streaming. Not good. Come on, you can do it. It's using Python, by the way. Okay, that's getting super slow. Embarrassing. Okay, let's annoy. Okay, it failed. Let's annoy the lurkers. It's gonna try again. GPT, seriously. Let's try. From the image loaded, extract all the properties and give each one default value. Put that into a JSON object. Yep, epic fail. Never mind. Worst case, I'll type it. Yeah, there you go. Why did you add more properties though? That's all I needed. Okay, where were we? The image there. So ID we don't change. The image we don't change. Now active object dot no offset active object left active object at top cross fingers tab ID 1 width active object dot width oh height yep so if that update works it should break the image. Might as well try that. What? Yeah, so that worked. And now it's broken. Okay. So the image data is not... I don't know what's going on. But at least... Well, I'm gonna have to hot code it again. No biggie. No. Not working. Pictures. Then refresh. What? but we do have an image. Where is it? Great. What now? Yeah, this is a mess. I know, I know. Now I upload again. Oh, I forgot again. Pictures. Why is it so broken? Come on. Has something else changed? Nothing that would cause that problem, actually. So why? Why are you misbehaving? What is that? Unload. Yeah, but that's not what I want. That's not what I need. Don't know how that got changed. Image detail. Window.reload, just for fun. Location dot reload. Yes.
Hey guys, what's going on?
Nice try. Set X offset Y. This can go. Wait, am I on the right branch? Yes. Yep. Station and all that. We don't need all that. Okay, let's do that. We import an image. It reloads. The reload might not be at the right place. The reload. Okay, I'll remove it since it's clearly not working. Now it's working. Oh, it's not positioned properly. Interesting. Where is my image? Not cool. Is it really that thing that changed and broke things? So here I don't see anything that would break that. No. Okay, so use Canva. Definitely not this. This is commented out, so you can't change anything. Oh, that. Well. No. Yeah. There. Okay. Okay. That was the bug. We are good now. Let's go. Okay. Zoom in. Okay, just to be sure. No, it goes to 0, 0 actually. Even if I zoom out. Okay. Sounds good. So this has moved. We need to update it. Yeah. What's the ID? 263. 263. There we go. Oh. Now it explodes. Yes. Because the image is invalid. Right, now let's see what toString does. Straight up there. String pose active toString. And is that horrible API? Is that async or not? Let's not make any assumptions. Well, okay, log image string, and we'll find that. First, get rid of that. Import an image. That one. Okay, it's image not found. Yeah, it's 230 now. Okay, we're getting there, I think. Image not found. What do you mean? Image not found. Really? This. No. What? Okay, finally. Maybe here. There you have it. Why are you complaining? Seriously. Now it's yeah. It's good. Edit breakpoint. Not current entry. Yeah, so don't break if it's not broken. So I'm gonna move it down like this. So now it's saved, right? Offset 1, offset Y, 479. I reload. Oh, I forgot. Okay. Forgot this. Okay. Reload. Uh-huh. Yeah, I agree. The ID is also random. Now you're happy. In theory, you're happy. Okay. Oh, it's no, it's not good. Image string fabric. It's super annoying. Why do you have to do it like that? So now the end is... So can I... That's the string representation. The base 64 string representation of the image. But annoyingly enough, we have this that encapsulates the... Okay. So I have this. Give me just code to extract the image. I cannot type image. Image string only from the following string. There. And then it ends like this. Close like this. And what? Are you serious? There's even an ankle bracket for some reason. This is stupid. Yeah, okay. Let's see. Oh no, I got the wrong string. I didn't close with the backticks. Hopefully it's smart enough. Why does it have two strings? This code is so dirty. Ew. Oh, okay. Oh, I have the scroll issue again. Well, use split. You can use Cyber Chef and use base64 data. Yeah. Think code, it's in JavaScript, and I don't want to think through it. That's not the moment. Just let me choose between the two. Definitely method 2. Now we import the image again. 672. Okay, there she is. You removed too much info, bro. And you didn't remove the end. Fantastic. I need the part with I do not need the wailing part. This and this, I think. Come on, let's be done with that bug, and then we'll call it a day. Still crap. Right? I think it's still crap. Let's see, how's that different. I have to start the whole process again. Of course. More. No, Schmiedi. And it. Looking good. Just hold manually to not miss the start. Oh wait. And just do that again. No? What am I doing? Yeah, it looks all right to me, I think. Let's try. Let's try it. We'll see eventually. So, delete that, import image, refresh, get the ID. Okay. Hey, I think it's working. Application. It looks legit. Yeah. We did it! We can save the image now, but yeah, the zoom will still be terrible for some reason. That's for another session. Now let's clean up the code a little bit. Actually, maybe I want to revert these two. Yeah. That. Bye bye. We'll clean up that one last. Solution. There we go. Do specify more of the image properties. Yes. Let's do it to do more. Yep, like this. Sounds about right. We don't need the selection or anything anymore. Okay, let's clean up that mess. Get main image ring. object. String. Now. Wait. Hmm?
Emotional damage.
What? What's the context, man? Wait, do I have something to reply back? Yeah.
Bruh.
Okay, the image string is directly there. So that's const image string there, and then we return. Yeah, with an R it's better. We don't need to. We don't need that. String. Row. That makes sense, right? Working with no, actually, base64 is not the problem here. It's the output of fabric.js that polluted the whole thing. I think the guy works in like... Oh, we don't have the logs anymore because it's cleaned up. But it was polluted with like the hash shine and then fabric.blah blah blah wrapped into an object, the source column, and then the value of the source property was actually what we wanted. And yeah, the beginning looks a bit like C++ code or something, but then the whole, it's like a whole file but stringify, and it's like, yeah, terrible. And I had to do this to clean that up. But I'm not extracting any of this. It's, yeah, I'm removing some extra characters that didn't belong here. But all of this data, image, base64 and all that, you need that for the string to work. Yeah. I guess I can also clean up events, because I can always add them back. Yeah, and that's done here, and it's fine for now. I will clean up it more another time. Now that's acceptable as a work in progress. Wait, what's with the red stuff? Yeah, well, sorry. Not used anymore. Yep. Oh, big to do. Oh, wait. Huh. Interesting. I need to keep them. Why? I will need that for the ID somehow. To use these events to track the ID of the image in the DB. That. Okay, press updating the image DB. So you see lots of benefits working with fabric.js, again with the handles and all of that, but it does break my code, at least the way it used to work. Maybe I need to rework the entire structure and all that, but here you get access to what fabric.js provides you with. It's its own representation of your data, but I don't see anywhere where I can specify maybe metadata. That could be the next step, actually. We can ask Gemini on a fabric dot image specify metadata. Is it real or is it real crap? Oh, wow. Custom class extension. No, I don't need all that. Just like that. Okay, we might give it a quick try. And oh, fabric image ID image.id. Okay, and then don't know where I have the ID specified. Back in time. Okay, there. So active object dot ID, just like that. Application. Okay, let's delete it. It's gone. Okay, now we import the same picture, but the ID will be different. Reload again. Whoa, that was easy. Hey, cool. That's actually nice. Good job, Fabric.js developer. Is it still a work in progress then? It kind of. Update image in DB. else up. It's totally legit. It's not really the way I'm used to work, I guess. But in that case, it makes sense. Yeah, the zoom is still going to, shift things around. But let's see. Let's reload that. Okay. Move that down. Zoom in. It moves back to the initial position. Okay, reload. Oh, but yeah, now it's down there. There, I click outside. I zoom. Goes back to the previous position. Huh. Okay, I'll fix that another time. We have a win here. Let's take it. Let's take it. I'll see if I do this live tomorrow. Maybe it will be shorter. Or maybe I'll start earlier. I don't know. But everyone, thank you for watching. And should we raid? I don't know. People in the chat. Do we want to raid anyone? Oh, wait. We have a friend who's live. So, raid. Yes. Invalid username. Okay. Raid. Like this. It should work. Reviewers, let's go. Okay, I need to open his stream first. There. Okay. Yeah, no worries. Glad you had some background noise from yours truly, said Polly. Yeah, actually we got a win. So it's kind of rare on stream, right? Okay, let's go side by side. Yeah, keep us updated. Keep us updated on the on your situation. All right. See you on the other side, guys. Beep.
Hey, thanks for raiding. I appreciate it. Hello, everyone. Hey, Stratons. Welcome to Sand Party. I am going to be hearing myself in the background. Because had you open in the background there quiet.